Alright, here we go with another reaction. Wardlow versus Scorpio Skies for the TNT Championship. Let's go! Mr. Mayhem himself. So my co-host from We Are Wrestling, Danny, thinks Wardlow's winning the championship. I think Scorpio Skies retains the championship because MJF is going to come back tonight and screw Wardlow, and they're going to begin their feud. That's my prediction. But last week, he impressed the hell out of me with his promo. I love that, how Dan Lambert's wearing the other championship. That's pretty funny. Where's Ethan Page? I think that she definitely brings some star power to the women's division. MJF is definitely coming out and screwing Wardlow. No way they end Scorpio Sky's reign after 1 week.
That'd be a good idea.
We are going to get a powerbomb symphony, though. I'm hoping.
That's what he's always done.
I don't advise that, quite frankly. It's very
not going to lie, I would love to see Wardlow win the championship. Do not get me wrong.
And now at 371 days, unbeaten for Scorpio Sky. So he's got a streak and a title.
I feel like these guys, they're going to put on a pretty good match here. He just dropped Scorpio Sky like a baby.
He's quicker, he's faster, he's still 277.
I don't think American top teams ever went against friggin' a Mayhem like friggin' Wardlow, alright?
There's some stiff, heavy competition in that match.
I get the big man angrier, and there you see it.
2.
And he needs to use that, Jim.
Damn!
That's what I was going to say. He's got to get back in that match.
One-handed! One-handed powerbomb by Wardlow. Damn. Telling you, Wardlow is easily a future world champion. Telling you right now. Whoa! Yeah, Wardlow, kick his ass. Punch him in the face. Oh, come on! Damn, I was waiting for him to powerbomb him. Ew, we're going picture in picture. Alright. And we pretty much have all the heat for the last hour of Dynamite here. We have the Hardys match, we're going to definitely react to that. The cage match, obviously, we're going to react to that. And damn, what a freaking suplex by Wardlow.
Just ungodly strong. And once a big guy like Wardlow gets in that condition, in that predicament, it's hard to rebound.
Whoa. Oh. Powerbomb, here we go. Oh. Nope, no powerbomb.
Potential powerbomb.
Oh, can Sky get Wardlow up in the TKO?
Almost got him.
One-handed choke slam.
You know, I would love to see Wardlow win the championship just for MJF to win the title.
He's going for it, man.
But that's definitely not going to happen. MJF is going to screw Wardlow in this match. Uh-oh. Powerbomb Symphony, here we go. Powerbomb #1. I'm sorry, but the Powerbomb Symphony, I feel like, is a lot better than Suplex City. Might get some heat for that, but I don't know why. Like, Wardlow, I'm just such a huge fan of. Oh, #2. There's 2. That's 2 Powerbombs. Oh, yeah, Dan Lambert, he's about to... Unless Ethan Page tries screwing him first and then MJF. Nope. Oh, punch Lambert right in his face.
He's a young, emotional, high-strung guy, and the biggest singles match he's ever had here.
And Scorpio Sky, great instincts. Doing the only thing he can do, just rolls out of the ring, takes himself out of play.
He may get power bombed on the floor here.
Oh no, he's gonna power bomb. Yep, he's gonna power bomb his ass on the floor. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh my God, we got company.
There's Shawn Spears. I've been wondering where the hell he's been.
Shawn Spears still entrenched with the MJF. Concentration has been broken.
Damn.
His emotion.
See, like, I'm loving, like, that's the thing. MJF, I knew it!
Came out of nowhere.
I called it.
Just drove Wardlow's face into the steel ring post.
I knew it. Nice distraction.
Wardlow is rattled, and Scorpio Sky barely recovered. He's up to his feet. He rolls up Wardlow. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, damn. Scorpio Sky is still champion.
Raining down elbows on Wardlow.
Wardlow trying to cover up and protect himself. But here comes the chairman.
He's back.
Now, CM Punk left that ring.
I knew this was going to happen.
Employed by MJF for 2.5 years. He has absolutely no friends in the locker room area. There's no one coming out to help him. Fighting off all these men.
Woo!
The big man.
Uh-oh.
And MJF.
With the stress look on his face.
You know what would be a perfect thing for them to do?
Nobody's gonna know.
Bring Brian Cage back.
He does his laundry.
Brian Cage, I think, would be a really good bodyguard for MJF. Oh, he's gonna powerbomb him! Oh, nope.
The shot.
The chairman.
Shawn Spears, right in the spine, had his issues with a lot of people in this roster.
That's
He
right.
may not be the most popular.
Damn.
Apparently that might be true because nobody's coming out here to help him.
Yeah, he's on an island right now.
Don't tell me he's gonna headshot him. Don't tell me.
The chairman, Shawn Spears, as a dazed Wardlow.
Wardlow almost. He's just like,
Oh!
his hands up. Too late.
Yep. Gives him a boatload of cash.
Going on.
Oh, MJF and Dan Lambert in the same ring. Who would have thought?
Someone as scummy as MJF would deal with Dan Lambert.
That was a whole stack of big bills. I could see that.
I knew they weren't going to take the championship off of Sky too soon.
On his right hand, Wardlow struggling to his feet.
We got, like, I think Shaggy 2 Dope in the crowd or something.
A 3-on-1 beating.
Uh-oh. Oh, took him out. I really hope they wait for the MJF Wardlow match for Double or Nothing.
Miserable human being.
Definitely have to wait until Double or Nothing. Or Blood and Guts.
Could use that same
They could wait for as well.
Well, this is a tremendously upsetting scene.
Wow. Damn. We are starting the MJF Wardlow storyline. I predicted it. I told you so, Danny. Haha.